What if you committed yourself to becoming the best brand influencer you can be? You committed to sharpening the axe. That's the story that's been told so many times about Abraham Lincoln. He said, if you gave me 8 hours to cut a tree down, I would spend 6 hours sharpening the axe. What if you just said that? What if you said, I'm gonna work on this. I'm gonna approach my business high tech and high touch, and I'm gonna get a plan. And I'm gonna make sure that if I don't know the right way to tell the story, I'm gonna learn the right way to tell you. How do you do that, by the way? You ask some of the people that are having success. As a company, the reason why we're putting the bots in and we're doing all these things is so we can start to give that information. But I don't wanna just deal with the new people, which is great. New people coming in are gonna get to see us like this. I want y'all to benefit from it. And I want you to be hungry for it. And I want you to be willing to sacrifice for it. Because if you do it, here's for sure what's gonna happen. Not what happened 2 years ago, what I said happened. What happened a year ago, I'm gonna tell you right now. You won't recognize this a year from today. You won't recognize this room. It will be, again, a bunch of new people that will be here, and there will be certain people that have taken advantage of it, that have had their breakthrough personally, that have taken and made a stand, and they are gonna change their life financially forever.